चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Yes, indeed, a very hectic parley will go on today, the entire day in the national capital, and it will start at 11 o'clock with the all parliamentary party meeting of the NDA, where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be chosen as the Prime Minister by the entire NDA group, and that is the reason why the CM, Deputy CM, all the MPs across NDA, that means the MPs from other parties as well who are the part of the NDA alliance, they all are today having a meeting in the Central Hall inside Parliament. Right now I'm standing outside Parliament, and in the Central Hall of the Parliament at 11 o'clock we'll get the visuals of all the MPs sitting there and choosing Prime Minister Narendra Modi as the leader of the NDA, and after that happens, only after then on 9th Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be taking oath as the Prime Minister of the country for the third consecutive term. And this meeting is what everyone is eyeing at, because we'll see Chandrababu Naidu, Nitish Kumar, their MPs from JDU, from TDP, from BJP, from the Meghalaya Alliance Party, and from the Anupriya Patel's party, and every party which is the part of the NDA, all the MPs will be arriving at 11 o'clock, which will be followed by a lunch, and after that the leaders will be coming out. And then we'll tell you at late in the evening at around 5 o'clock, there's another meeting of the CM and Deputy CMs of BJP at JP Nadda residence, and that meeting will be followed with the agenda of the course correction by BJP in the state in which they couldn't perform, like Maharashtra and Uttar Pradesh, where BJP has seen a shocking result, and that is the reason the meeting for a further strategy will be chalked out with all the CMs and Deputy CM. So back to back, these are two very important meetings in national capital, and we'll start getting visual from 10 a.m. only from outside Parliament, when the leaders will start arriving, and at 11 o'clock all the leaders will be gathered at Central Hall of the Parliament. So these are the developments which are going to take place today morning in national capital.